Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper solutions which was held on 20 October 2024. So we will start from class 6th and the subject is physics. So let us start our discussion. Our first question number 1. Which of the following statement is correct? So out of these we have to choose the correct statement. Eclipse occur due to reflection of light. No, this is a wrong statement. A person located in Umbra region may not see the source of light directly. Yes, this is a true statement because the person located at Umbra can't see the light directly. Okay, so this is a true statement. Moon is a luminous body. No, it is a non-luminous body. The size of the shadow depends on the size of object only. No, it does not depends only on the size of objects. This is also false. So our correct answer is option B. Next question. Which of the following conversions is /are incorrect? So first of all we should know that 1 decade is equals to 10 years, 1 century is equals to 100 years and 1 millennium is equal to 1000 years. So if we'll see the first, then 10 decades equal to 1 century, this is true. 100 centuries equal to 1 millennium, this is false. 100 inches equal to 2.5 meters, this is true. Now the fourth one, we know that let us convert these two all into meter. So 100 millimeter means 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, and when we convert 10 centimeter into meter, it becomes 10 to the power minus 2. So let us check. It becomes equal to 10 to the power minus 1. This is also becomes equal to 10 to the power minus 1. So this is also true. So our correct answer will be option A. Only 2 is incorrect. Next question number 3. In question number 3, which of the following is not a basic requirement for the formation of shadow? We know that for the formation of shadow, light source is required, an opaque object is also required, and shadow will be formed on a screen, so it is also required, but medium is not required. So correct answer is option D. Next question number 4, which is a assertion reason question. So assertion: at sunrise or at the sunset, shadow on the ground becomes much longer than the size of object. That is a true statement. We have seen during sunset and sunrise, the size of shadow becomes larger. The size of the shadow becomes smaller when the object is brought near the light source or the screen is moved from away from the object. So this is a false statement. So we can see assertion is true but reason is false. So correct answer is option C. Next question. Question number 5. Match the following, column 1 with column 2. So let us check. In first column some physical quantities are given, in second column their units are given. So for density we know that density is equals to mass upon volume. So it becomes kg per meter cube, that means 3. Speed, unit of speed is meter per second, so I will write 1. Volume is meter cube, so for r I will write 2. Distance is measured in meters, so I will write it 4. So correct code is 3124. 3124, that means option C is our correct answer. Next question is based on paragraph. There is a paragraph given on the basis of which we have to answer question number 6 and question number 7. So which of the following does not show periodic motion? As we know that what is periodic motion? The motion of an body which repeats itself in a fixed time interval is called periodic motion. So we see here, let us start from option D. Revolution of earth around the sun. This is a periodic motion because earth rotates around the sun and repeats its motion in fixed time interval. Hands of clock, we know that this is also a periodic motion. Simple pendulum also shows a periodic motion, but a car moving with variable speed, that is not a periodic motion, that is a type of random motion. So option A is our correct answer. Question number 7. In question number 7, classify the motion of your hands while running. So generally when we are running, then the motion of our hands is a type of oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is a special type of periodic motion. In this motion, body moves to and fro about a mean position. Okay, so option A is our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of physics subject. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can subscribe this YouTube channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is provided in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then click on Ask a Doubt button, which is provided in MOF profile. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 6, which was conducted on 20th October 2024. Let's see the question. So the question is, identify the correct statement. Okay, so there are different statements. Let's see the statement. First statement is, substances that do not regain their shape after removing the forces are elastic. No, it is completely a wrong statement, because the elastic substances are regain their shape after removing the forces. So it is completely a wrong statement. Now the next is, substances that allow the passes of light are opaque. No, that opaque substances do not allow. These substances are known as the transparent substances. So the B is also a wrong option. Now the next one is, substances which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are the good conductors. No, the conductors are allow heat to pass through them, so they are known as a conductor. So option C is also a wrong option. Now the next one is, salt and sugar are soluble in water, whereas chalk and sand are insoluble in water. Yes, this is completely a true statement. When we put the salt and sugar, then they form the water, they form the true solution with water. It means they form the homogeneous mixture, or because of that homogeneous mixture, salt and sugar are soluble in water. But when we put the chalk and sand in the water, then because of the formation of suspension, they are not dissolved in water, and these substances are settled down in the water. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, Rashmi, a class 6th teacher, listed the given materials on the board and asked the students to classify them on the basis of their transparency. Okay, we know that there are the three types of the substances. First is transparent substance, second is translucent substance, and third one is the opaque substance. So what is the meaning of transparent, translucent and opaque? Okay, so the transparent species are transparent, or we can say the transparent substances are those substances that all passes through it, means light can easily pass through them. And the translucent substances are some light passes through them, and the opaque are no light passes through them. So let's see the option. The first is window glass, or we can say clear glass. So the clear glass is transparent substance. And if we discuss about the oily paper, so if we discuss about the transparent substance, so the first is the transparent substance, window glass. If we are talking about the translucent substance, and if we are talking about the opaque substance. Okay, so the first window glass is transparent in nature. If we are talking about oily paper is translucent in nature. Second is metal sheet. Metal sheet is completely an opaque substance. So the third one, metal sheet, is opaque substance. If we're talking about the thin muslin cloth is also translucent substance. So the fourth one is translucent. And if we're talking about the concrete wall is opaque substance. Okay, now let's see the option. Which of the following represent the correct classification? First is, first and fourth are transparent. We know that the only first is transparent, so the option A is wrong. Next is, first and second are translucent. First and second, no, second and fourth are translucent. So the B is also wrong. Next is, first is transparent. Yes, first is transparent, so it might be a right option. Now the next is, fifth is opaque. Fifth is opaque, but third is also opaque, so it is also a wrong statement. Now let's see the C. In the C, first is transparent. Yes, first is transparent. The clear glass is transparent. Next, second and fourth is translucent. Second and fourth. Second is oily paper and fourth is thin muslin cloth. Both are translucent in nature. And the third and fifth means metal sheet and the concrete wall. Both are opaque substance. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next. The next question is, when the heavier component in a mixture shuttles after water is added to it, this process is called decantation. No, this process is not called decantation. This process is called sedimentation. So it is completely a wrong statement, or we can say false statement. It is not a true statement. When the heavier component in a mixture settle after the water is added to it, so this process is called sedimentation. Decantation is a process by which we can separate the two different substances. Okay, so next is reason. Sand and water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Yes, this is completely right statement. By the decantation and sedimentation, we can separate the substances which are not miscible with each other. So the sand and water substance is not miscible with each other because when we put the sand in water, it forms the suspension type solution. So it is not miscible with each other, and the sand particles are shuttled down in the water. So because of that, the sedimentation process and decantation process is the best method for this process. So this is completely a true statement. Now let's see the option. The option first is both assertion and reason are the true. No, assertion and reason both are not true. Next is both assertion and reason are true and reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. It is also a wrong statement. Next is assertion is true and the reason is false. No, assertion is not true because the process is not known as the decantation, it is known as the sedimentation. Last one is assertion is false and the reason is true. Yes, assertion is false and the reason statement is true. So the option D is right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, now in the column first, P is rubber band, means different substances are given. Q is muslin cloth, R is honey, and the S is iron nail. Next, in the column second, first is miscible in water. We know that rubber is not miscible in water, muslin cloth is also not miscible in water. If we're talking about honey, so honey can easily miscible in water, and if we're talking about the iron nail is also not miscible in water. So the miscible in water is matched with honey, means honey is miscible in water. Next is metal. We know that the iron nail is a metallic in nature. Next is translucent. So the third is translucent. So the first option is rubber band and next is muslin cloth. We know that the muslin cloth is translucent in nature. So the Q match with third. Next is floats on water. We know that the rubber density of the rubber is lower than water, so it can easily float on water. Okay, now let's see the P match with fourth and the Q match with third, means muslin cloth is translucent in nature. If we're talking about R, honey is miscible in water, so it is connected with 1. And if we're talking about iron nail, so the iron nail is metallic in nature, so it is a metal. So 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. It means B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is, to separate the miscible and immiscible liquids, different methods are adopted. Miscible liquids can be separated by distillation, while immiscible liquids can be separated with the help of separating funnel. Depending upon the differences in weights, separate layers are formed. The heavier liquid form the 2 layer. Using the stopper, the liquid in the lower layer is collected first. Okay, now let's see the question. The question is, in the mixture of mustard oil and water, water forms. We know that in the mustard oil and water, the density of the mustard oil is less than water, so it can float on the water. So the mustard oil form the upper layer of water, means the mustard oil present in the upper layer. And if we're talking about the water, the density of water is more than mustard oil, so water is present in the lower layer. Okay, so now let's see the options. Option first is upper layer, no mustard. Here the question is water forms, so water is not from the upper layer. Second one is lower layer. Yes, water is present in the lower layer. Single layer, no, there are two layers, because both the substances are not miscible with each other, so they form double layer, so it is also a wrong option. Suspended droplets in oil, not the suspended droplets in oil. First upper layer is formed by the oil, mustard oil, and the lower layer is formed by the water, so the B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. For the next question, the paragraph is same, the question is different. Now let's see the question. The question is, a mixture of alcohol and water can be separated by decantation. By the decantation, we can separate the substances which are not miscible with each other, or we can say immiscible substances. But we know that the alcohol and water are miscible with each other, so this is not a correct option. Now the next one is distillation. Yes, distillation is a process for the separating alcohol and water, because alcohol and water both have different boiling points. So by the distillation, we can easily separate the substance which have the different boiling point. Around water have around 100 degree and alcohol have 78 degree. Means if we boil, then first the alcohol evaporate and then we condense in the different container. So by the distillation process, we can easily separate the alcohol and water. Next is the separating funnel is not a suitable method, and churning is also not a suitable method. Distillation is the best method for the substance which have the different boiling points. Thank you. Thanks a lot. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can join our WhatsApp channel. You can subscribe our channel also, YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, any query regarding any questions, so there is one more option, ask a doubt. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 6th biology. Let's start. First question. The structure that attach muscles to the bone is called option A, ligament, option B, tendon, option C, cartilage, and last, hinge joint. Our right answer for this question is tendon. Tendon mean to say muscle to bone. Muscle to bone that attached by tendon. Next question. Which type of joint allow movement in all direction? Hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Suture fixed joint in skull that show no movement. Next, hinge joint show one direction movement, and ball and socket joint show all direction movement, this type. So according to question, allow movement in all direction. Ball and socket joint is right answer, option B. Next question. Which nutrient category provide the most calorie? Option A, protein, option B, carbohydrate, then fat and fiber. Fiber, fat, carbohydrate, protein. Our right answer for most calorie, option C, fat is right. Other minerals, protein, carbohydrate, fiber provide, but fat provide most calorie in nutrient. Next, assertion A, protein are necessary for building and repairing tissue in body. Nice, very good. Right, because protein essential for build up our muscles. Next, Protein provide energy to the body? No, no, no. Reason is wrong. Assertion is right. According to option, assertion A true. Assertion A true and reason false in option C. Option C is correct because protein participate in building and repairing of tissue in our body. Next, match column first and second. Carbohydrate match with rice, P3. Next, fat match with butter, Q4. And next, protein match with beans, R2. And vitamin D from sunlight, S1. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. Option C is correct for this question. Next paragraph. Body movement are essential for daily activity. Body movement essential for daily activity and are made possible by skeletal and muscular system. By skeletal or muscular system, like this. When one muscle contract, its counterpart relax to allow movement, and these coordinated action allow for wide range of movement from simple action like walking and running to complex task. These are related to our skeletal and muscular system. Which muscle contract when you bend your elbow? Elbow bend mean to say that part is bicep. The bicep is right answer for this question. Next, what is the purpose of muscles working in pair or group? To increase muscle size? No. To reduce flexibility? No. To allow for a wide range of movement? That is right. Movement. To store energy? No. Option C is correct because muscle working in pair or group for wide range of movement like this. Running, flexibility. So many muscles working with wide range of movement. So right answer is option C. These are the all solution for biology portion. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6th for math subject. So let's start. So here we have question that is 21st. The value of the following is respectively. So here we have given two values and we have to simplify simple. So here we have given first that is CCl plus XXX VIII plus CX X minus LX VI. So simply we have to solve this one. So we know the C means 100. So 100 plus 100, 200 and 200 plus L means 50. So 250 plus that is 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So here I can say that 38. Again plus C means 100, 110 and 120 minus L means 50, 60, 65, 66 and 67. So simple. If you add this one, so 250 plus 120, that is 370 minus, plus 38 minus 67. So if I add again this one, so here I get 408 minus 67. So here I get 8 minus 7, that is 1, and 40 minus 6, that is 34. So here I get 341. So 341 we can write here 100, 200, 300, 40 and 1. It means C, 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 X, L, I. So check C, 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 X, L, I. So here we get, if we talk about the second one, that is C, X, X, I, X plus L, X, I minus CV plus XCV. So here I can say that again C means 100. So 100 plus 10 to 110, 120 and 129. So here I can say that 129 plus 50, 60 and 62 minus 105 again plus 190 and 95. So here we have to simplify this one. So I can say that 129 plus 62, 9 to 11, carry 1, 6 to 8 over 9 and 191 plus 95 minus 105. So simple. 516, 99, 18, carry 1 and 286 minus 105. So here I get that answer is 6 minus 5, that is 1, and here 8, 181. So 181 I can write here, that is C, that means 100, 150, 160, 170, 180 and 181. So check CLXXI. So CLXXI. So here we can say that option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is how many times does the digit 1 appears in numbers from 1 to 100. So here we have given number that is 1 to 100 and we have to find out how many times 1 appear from 1 to 100 number. So I can say that here first we count from number 1 to 10, that is we can say that 1 is appear 2 times. If we count here from 11 to 20, I can say that the number that is appear 10 times. Again, if I count from 20 to 90, we can say that the number that is appear 7 times. And last one, from 90 to 100, I can say that the number is again appears 2 times. So if we add all these numbers, so 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 7, 19 and 19 plus 2, 21. It means the number total appear that is 21 times from 1 to 100. So 21 times, here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is what is the difference between the phase and place value of 3 in the given number. So here we have given number that is 8453. So 3 is here, so I can say that the place value of 3 that is 3 and the place value of 3 again that is 3 and the difference between them that is 0. So check 0 is here. Yes, so option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which of the following set of numbers are arranged in descending order? So here we have to find which option are correct in descending order. So if I talk about A option, that is 1356 and then 1635. So this is not in descending order. So I can say this one is not possible. If I talk about option number B, that is 1635, 1520, 1356 and 1536. So here this is not in descending order. So I can say this one is again wrong. If I talk about third one, 1356, 1520. So this is again wrong. If I talk about last one, 1635, okay, 1536, that is true, 1520 and 1356. So here option number D is in proper descending order. So I can say that option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is how many rectangular slabs of 10 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter are required to cover the floor of a hole of 12 meter multiplied by 10 meter. So here we have to find out number of slabs. So I can say that number of rectangular slabs is equal to, I can say that the area of floor of hole, area of divided by area of one rectangular slab. Area of one slab. So area of floor, that is here we given 12 multiplied by 10 meter. So I can say that 12 multiplied by 10 divided by 10 multiplied by 8 centimeter. So here we have given meter and here we have given centimeter. So first we have to convert this meter into centimeter. So I can say that 120 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 and divided by 80. So 10 to 10 cancel out, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, and 4 3 ja 12. So 2 1 ja 2 and 250 ja 100. So 5 3 ja. So here we have number that is 3 multiply 50 multiply 100. Simply if I multiply here, so I get that is 15,000. So we have to require that number of rectangle slabs, that is 15,000. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that what is the sum of 2211 plus 2213 plus 2215 plus 2217 plus 2219 plus 2221 plus 2223 plus 2225 plus 2227 plus 2229. So first I write all the number over here. So I can say that 2211 plus 2213 plus 2215 plus 2217 plus 2219 plus 2221 again plus 2223 plus 2225 plus 2227, and last one that is 2229. So here if I add first this one and this number, so I can say that 2211 plus 2229. Again if I add second one and this one, so I can say that 2213 plus 2227. So we add first number from starting and we add first last number, because so here we can easily calculate the number is okay. Now here, now next one, if we add 2215 plus last third 2225, again if we add 2217 plus 2223, again if we add 2219 plus 2221. So if we add first two number, then I get here 4440. If we add now again two number, here again I get 4440. If we add again two number, then again I get here 4440. Again if we add two number, so here I get 4440, and last again we get 4440. Dekho, so here 1 2 3 4 5 times, so I can say that 5 multiplied by 4440. So 50, if I multiply, so get 0, 5 4 is 20, carry 2, 5 4 is 20 and 2 22, again carry 2, 5 4 is 20 or 2 22. So here I get 222 and 00. So 22200, here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is what is the product of successor and predecessor of 999. So here first we have to find the successor of 999 and we have to find the predecessors of 999. Then we have to multiply these numbers. So I can say that successor of 999. So for successor we add 1, 999 plus 1. So here I get successor of 999, that is 1000. Now if I talk about predecessors, so I can say that predecessor of 999. So I can say that here 999 minus 1. So here I get 998. Now here we have to find the product. It means 1000 multiplied by 998. So here answer is that is 998,000. So 998,000. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following is not a composite number. So if I talk about option number A, here 4 is a composite number, 6, this one is again a composite number, and 8 is again a composite number, but 7 is a prime number. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is what is the HCF of, so here we have to find HCF of number 101, 573 and 1079. So if I observe this number, so here I get 101 is a prime number and this prime number is not a factor of 537 and this one is not a factor of 1079. So I can say that the HCF of all these number is 1. So check which option is correct here. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that A is the smallest 3-digit number which leaves a remainder 2 when divided by 17. Again B is the smallest 3-digit number which leaves remainder 7 when divided by 12. So here we have to find the value of A plus B. So we know the smallest 3-digit number, that is 100. So first if I talk about A number, that is we take smallest 3-digit number, that is 100, and if I divided by 17, so here 17 5 ja 85. So here if I subtract this one, so here I get that is 15, but we have to required number, that is we have to required remainder, that is 2. So simple, I can say that 100 minus 15 plus 17. So here I get 102. So the smallest 3-digit number that is completely divisible by 17 is 102, and we have to find remainder 2. So here I add 2 in the number 102. So here I get answer 104. So I can say that 104 is the smallest 3-digit number that when it is divided by 17, then we get remainder 2. Now if I talk about B, again we take a smallest 3-digit number, that is 100. So if 100 is divided by 12, so 12 9 ja 12 8 ja 96. So if I subtract this one, so here I get that is 4. So we have to require remainder, that is 7. So here if I add 3 here, because we have to require remainder 7, so I can again add here 3. So I can say that the smallest 3-digit number, that is 103, when we divided it by 12, then we get remainder 7. So we have to find the sum of A plus B. So here I can say that A plus B, that is the value of A is equal to, we have to find here 104, and the value of B, that is 103. If I add this one, so here I get answer, that is 207. So check which option is correct. So here 207, option number D is the correct answer. If I talk about next question, that is in the given figure find the number of line segments. So here we have given a line and we have to find the how many number of line segments are here. So first if I talk about point A, so I can say that AB is a line segment. If I talk about AC, AC is a line segment. If I talk about AD, again this one is a line segment. If I talk about AE, this is a line segment, and if I talk about AF, again this is a line segment. So if I talk about point B, so I can say that BC is a line segment, BD is a line segment, BE is a line segment, and BF is a line segment. So now if I talk about point C, so I can say that CD is a line segment, CE is a line segment, and CF is a line segment. So if I talk about point D, so I can say that DE is a line segment and DF is a line segment. And last one, if I talk about E1, so EF is a line segment. So count how many line segments are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15. So here answer 15. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, what is the distance around the circular region called? So here we have a circle and the distance around that one, this is called the circumference of circle. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, in the given figure, how many pair of adjacent vertices are there? So adjacent vertices are there, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of adjacent vertices are 5. So 5, option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that, which of the following pairs of integers have 5 is a difference? So here we have given options and we have to find which options having the difference, that is 5. So if I talk about option number A, that is 10 and 5, and the difference 10 minus 5, that is 5. Now if I talk about option number B, that is minus 10 minus bracket minus 5. So I can say that minus 10 plus 5. Again the difference, that is 5. If I talk about C1, that is 15 minus minus 20. So the difference, that is minus minus plus. So 15 plus 20, that is 30. So this one is not possible. So here I can say that option number A and option number B, both are having the difference, that is 5. So here both A and B. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which of the following represents the positive integer? So here we have to find which one is represent the positive integer. So if I talk about A, 25 degree below the freezing point. Below the freezing point, it means minus 25 degree centigrade. It means it shows the negative integers. Loss of rupees 1987. So I can write here loss of rupees 1987. Again this is negative integer. 3 kilometer above SA level. Above SA level, it means positive. So I can say that plus 3 kilometer above SA level. Withdrawal of rupees 2589. So withdrawal, that is 2589. So here again this one is a negative integer, this one is a negative integer, this one is a negative. So option number C is the correct answer because it having positive integer. So here option number C is the correct answer. Now next question is that the product of 3 consecutive odd number is 6783. So what is the sum of 3 number? So here let's assume three consecutive odd number, that is 2x plus 1 comma 2x plus 3 and comma 2x plus 5. Now here we have given the product of all these 3 numbers, that is 6783. So I can say that 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3, 2x plus 5 is equal to product, that is we have given 6783. Now we have to find here the value of x, and if then we have to put the value of x in all these numbers and we can find the 3 consecutive odd numbers. So first here we can say that we can find the factor of 6783. So using prime factorization method, we have to find the factor of 6783. So first we take 3. So 3 2 ja 6. Again 3 2 ja 6, carry 1 and 18. 6 3 ja 18 and 1. Now here I take 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 3 ja 21 carry 1 and 16, so I can say 7 2 ja 14, carry 1 carry 2 and here 1, so I can say 7 3 ja 21. So here I take 17, so here I get 19 and 19 1. So I can say that the prime factorization of 6783, that is 3 multiply 7 multiply 17 multiply 19. So 7 multiply 3, that is 21. So I can say that 21 multiply 17 multiply 19. So simple, I can write here in the place of 6783, that is 21 multiply 17 multiply 9. So 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3 and 2x plus 5 is equal to 17 multiply 19 multiply 21. So first if I compare 2x plus 1 to 17, so here I get 2x plus 1. If I compare here with 17, so here I get 2x is equal to 16 and the value of x, that is 8. Now if I put the value of 8 in this number again, so here I get 2x plus 1, that is 2 multiply 8 multiply plus 1, 8 to the 16 and 1 17. If I put this one, so here I get 2x plus 3, that is 2 multiply 8 multiply 1, 8 to the 16 and 3 19. If I put above again 2x plus in 5, so here I get 2 multiply 8 plus 5, so 8 to the 16, 16 plus 5 21. So here I get 3 numbers, that is 17, 19 and 21. So here if I add these 3 numbers, 17 plus 19 plus 21, so here I get 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 7 17, carry 1, 1 and 1 2, 2 1 3, 3 plus 5 57. So here I get sum of 3 consecutive odd number, that is 57. So here 57, option number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is arrange the problem solving steps below in correct order to simplify. So here we have given a problem. So let's first write here 36 divided by 5 plus curly bracket 4 multiply by 5 divided by 2 curly bracket close and bracket close. So first here we have to solve this curly bracket. So for this curly bracket, first 36 divided by 5 plus, if I solve here, so here I get 2 multiply by 5. Now we have to solve this bracket. So I can say that 36 divided by 5 plus 5 to ja 10. So here I get 10. So now 36 divided by 5 plus 10 here that is 15. So simple, I can write here 36 divided by 15. So if I cut here, so 3 5 ja 15 and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 12. It means 12 upon 5. So 5 2 ja 10 and 2 by 5. Now here we have to check the sequence and we have to merge here. So first we have to simplify this one. So this step is Q, and then we multiply this one. So 36 divided by 5 plus 10. So I can say this one is P, and then 36 divided by 15. So this one is S, and last one is R. So here Q, P, S, R. So check where is Q, P, S, R. So here Q, P, S, R. So here option number C is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is given below are the steps to represent a whole number on a number line. So here we have given steps and we have to represent, how can we represent a whole number on number line. So first we draw a number line. So check which option is here. So first draw a number line. So here we can say that R is first, and now we put the first place, that is 0. Now we mark a point O on it. Yeah, we can set 0 on it. So this one is Q, and after for a whole number we mark all the labels from 1 to infinity from the right side of 0. So right of 0 we label it as 1. So here we label as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So I can say then we get P, and last one. Now continue mark 2, 3, 4 on line unit digit between the consecutive points. So here I can say last one is S. So here we have option that is R, Q, P, S in correct sequential order. So R, Q, P, S here, R, Q, P, S, that is the correct sequential order. So I can say that here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is again based on adjacent or region. So here we have given adjacent that is if 25 and 85 are divisible by 5, okay, then there is some that is 110 is also divisible by 5. So first let me check. 110 is divisible by 5. So first 5 to the 10 minus 1 and here 5 to the 10. It means yes, this one is true. So I can say that adjacent is true. If I talk about region, if a number is a factor of two given numbers, we have a number and this one is the factor of two given number, then it is the factor of their sum. So I can say this one is also true and this one is the correct explanation of adjacent. So both A and R are true and region is the correct explanation of adjacent. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now next question is that which is again based on adjacent or region. So here adjacent that is given PQ and RS are the adjacent side of quadrilateral PQ RS. So first we have to draw a quadrilateral that is PQ RS. So side, let's check side PQ. So I can say this one is the side PQ and side RS. So I can say this one is the side RS. If both these two sides are not adjacent, I can say that, so here this one is false. Adjacent side are any two sides with a common vertex, common endpoints. So let's assume this side and this side is called adjacent side because it having a common endpoint. So I can say that region is true. So adjacent false, region true. So check adjacent is false and region is true. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statements are true or false. So here we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So first statement that is division by 0 is not defined. So let me assume a number that is 5. If I divide here, so I can say that not defined. So I can say that this one is true. Minus 3 is greater than 0. So minus 3 is greater than 0, not false. I can say that 0 is greater than minus 3. So this one is false. Any number multiplied by 0 will given 0. It means let assume a number 5. If I multiply here 0, so I get result that is 0. So this one is true. 0 is an integer. So yeah, this one is also true. So here we get T, F, T, T. So check which option is correct. T, F, T, T. So T, F, T, T. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false. So again we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is false and which one is true. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. So this one is true. A quadrilateral is a 5-sided polygon. No, quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. So this one is false. A polygon with equal side and angle is called regular polygon. Yes, this one is true. A perpendicular always bisect a line segment in 2 equal parts. Here we get always. So always is not possible. So let's assume we have line segment. If a perpendicular bisector here, so I can say that this length is not equal to this one. So this is false. So here T, F, T, F. So check which option is correct. T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false, which is again we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So the sum of 2 integers is always an integer. Yes, this one is true. The difference between 2 integers is always an integer. Yeah, I can say that this one is also true. If I talk about third one, that is minus 14 is greater than minus 8 minus 7. So minus 14, here minus minus plus, so minus 8 plus 7. So minus 14 is greater than minus 1. No, this one is false. So I can say third one is false. If I talk about 4 1, minus 5 minus 2 is greater than minus 8. So minus minus plus, it means number we have 8. So 5 plus 2, 7, and we carry negative sign, minus 8. So I can say this one is true. So this one is true. So true, true, false, true. TTFT. So TTFT, check which option is correct. TTFT. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now next question is that match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So first we have to solve column 1. So here the first, that is P. Round off 2687 to the nearest 1000. So here we have to find out now round off that number. So the number is 2687, and for the 4 nearest 1000, so 1, 10, 100, 1000. So I can say that the nearest 1000, that is 3000. So P is connected to 3000. So here P is connected to 4. So I can say that P is connected to 4. So if I talk about Q1, that is 9,046,150. So I can write here 9,046,150. So check. It means 9,046,150. So it means Q is connected to 3. So this is international system. If I talk about R, that is 5 multiplied by this one. So check how many zeros are there. 3 and 2, 5. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 2 multiplied by this one. So 2. How many zeros are there? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1000. It means 3000 plus 6 multiplied by 100. So 6 multiplied by 100, and last one, that is 5. So here if I add all these numbers, so here I get 523,605. So 523,605. So check where is 523. 523,605. It means R is connected to 2. So here I can say that R is connected to 2. And last one, the smallest 6-digit number using only 1 digit. So smallest 6-digit number, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and all digits are 1. So I can say that S is connected to 1. So here S is connected to 1. So check 4, 3, 2, 1. It means 4, 3, 2, 1. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using code below. So here we have given column 1, again here we have given column 2. So first we have to find distributive property. So check where is distributive property. Yes, so this one. So its P is connected to 2. So P is connected to 2. So here associative property. So associative, I can say that this one. So this is the Q is connected to 1. Commutative, this one. So R is connected to 4, and remaining multiplicative identity 4 whole number, that is 1. So S is connected to 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. So check which option is correct over here. 2, 1, 4, 3. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next one, that is again based on match the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using code given below. So here we have given column 1 and again we have given column 2. So simple P, that is the smallest odd prime number. Smallest odd prime number, that is 3. So where is 3 here? So P is connected to 4. Twin prime with 17. So twin prime with 17, that is 19. So Q is connected to 3. So Q is connected to 3. Only even prime number is 2. So where is 2 here? So R is connected to again 2. And last one, that is a neither prime nor composite number. Neither prime nor composite, that is 1. So here I can say that S is connected to 1. So 4, 3, 2, 1 again. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here option number B is the correct answer for this question. Now next question, which is based on paragraph. So here we have given a paragraph, that is a quiz competition is organized in a school. There are 20 questions in the quiz. So here we have given number of questions, that is 20. If all questions are answered correctly, a student scores will be 40. It means we have number of questions. If all answers are correct, then student score 20. It means the marks for correct answer, that is 2. If all questions are answered incorrectly, then student score will minus 2, minus 20. It means the negative marking, that is minus 1. So what is the score of Pratiksha if she answered 5 questions correctly and 2 questions incorrectly? So 5 questions correct. So for 5 questions, I can say that 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10 marks. And here he get 2 questions incorrect. For incorrect questions, so I can say that 2 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 2 marks. So total marks that he get 10 minus 2, that is 8 marks. So check which row is 8. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the same paragraph. So here we have question, that is what is the score of Rohit if she answered 8 questions correctly and 3 questions incorrectly? For correct question we get 2 marks. So here number of questions are correct, that is 8. So 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16 marks. And here 3 questions, that is incorrect. For incorrect question we deduct minus 1. So here I get minus 3 marks. So the total marks, that is 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. So check which option is correct, 13. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, this is based on paragraph. Rohan, Sam, Kiran, Mita and Roshni went to market for shopping. When they started buying things, they estimated the price and paid the bill. Rohan bought one shirt for rupees 1346. So for one shirt the price will be 1346. For one paint price will be 2488. So what is the total estimated price if estimated to the nearest 100? So here we have to nearest 100. So if I add this one, so I get 1346 plus 2488. So first 6 and 8 14, carry 1, 8 or 4 12, 12 plus 1 13. Again we get carry 1, 3 and 1 4, 4 or 4 8 and 2 1 3. So we have to find here estimated 100. So 1 tens 100. So hundreds we can say that rupees, that is 3800. So 3800, option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is based again on same paragraph. So here we have paragraph, that is Rohan, Sam, Kiran, Mita and Roshni went to the market for shopping. When they started buying things, they estimated the prices and paid the bill. So here we have question, that is Sam bought 3 t-shirts of rupees 753 each. So what is the total price of all 3 t-shirts? So here we have given the price of one t-shirt, that is price of one t-shirt, that is rupees 753. Now we have to find the price of all 3 t-shirts. So price of all 3 t-shirts, that means price of one t-shirt multiplied by 3. So here I can say that 753 multiplied by 3. So here 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15, carry 1 and 7 3 is 21, 21 and 1 22. So rupees are, that is 2259. So 2259 rupees. So here option number B is the correct answer. So if you have any doubt, please comment below and like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 20 October 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started.
So now here question number 51. Find the next term of given series. So series is 6, 8, 11, 16, 23 and find the next number of the series. So first find the pattern of the series. So pattern of the series is 6 to 8. It means adding 2 in 6, then we got next term. So now 8 plus 3, it means 11. Now 11 plus 5, it means 16. Now 16 plus 7, it means 23. Now adding 2, 3, 5, 7, next prime number is 11. So now adding 11 in 23, then we got next term. So 23 plus 11, it means 34. So here 34 is the next term of the given series. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the next term. So series is D, W, G, T, J, Q, M, N and after M and next is missing. So find the missing term. In this series, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is D. First alphabet of the second term is G. Now after G next is J. After J next is M. After M next is missing. So place value of D is 4. Place value of G is 7 in English alphabet. Place value of G is 10 in English alphabet. Place value of M is 13. So pattern is 4 plus 3, it means 7. Now 7 plus 3, it means 10. Now 10 plus 3, it means 13. Similarly, 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3, it means 16. So here 16, it means P. Because place value of P is 16. So first missing alphabet is P. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is W. Second alphabet of second term is T. After T next is Q. After Q next is N. After N next is missing. So place value of W is 23. Place value of T is 20. Place value of Q is 17. Place value of N is 14. So pattern is 23 minus 3, it means 20. Now 20 minus 3, it means 17. Now 17 minus 3, it means 14. Now 14 minus 3, it means 11. So 11, it means K, because place value of K is 11. So second missing alphabet is K. So missing term is PK. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Priyanka walked 9 km towards the west from her home, then turned towards the south and walked 11 km. Then she walked 13 km towards the east and finally walked 4 km towards the west. How far is Priyanka from her initial point? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south and this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest and this is northwest. Now according to question, let's suppose A is the starting point of Priyanka. Now Priyanka walked 9 km towards the west. Priyanka walked 9 km towards the west from her home. Then turned towards the south. This is the south of Priyanka. And walked 11 km and walked 11 km. Priyanka walked 11 km towards south. After that, she walked 13 km towards east. This is the east of Priyanka now. And Priyanka walked 13 km towards east direction. Finally, she walked 4 km towards west. So this is the west of Priyanka. And this is the final point of Priyanka. So find the distance between initial point and end point. It means find the distance between A and B. So final point will be exactly in the south direction or from the starting point. So find the distance between AB. So AB is equals to 11 kilometer. So AB is equals to 11 kilometer. So distance between final point and initial point is 11 kilometer. So now here option A is the correct answer of this question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Select the correct water image of the given figure. Find the water image of given figure. Water is always taken below the object. So now here is water. And the part of an object which is near to the water, so it will remains near to the water in the water image. So this part is near to the water, so it will remains near the water. So this part in the water looks something like this. This is the water image of this part. Now water image of this part looks something like this, and water image of this part looks something like this. So now here option C is the correct water image of given figure. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Find the correct mirror image of given word when mirror is placed on the right side of the words. Now here is mirror, and find the mirror image of given words. So the words which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of R. So mirror image of R looks something like this. And now find the mirror image of E. So this is the mirror image of E, and this is the mirror image of Y. And now find the mirror image of A. This is the mirror image of A. Now find the mirror image of R. So this is the mirror image of R. And finally find the mirror image of P. So this is the mirror image of P. So this is the correct mirror image of given words. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a class of 45 students, Rohan rank is 18th place from the right end. What is his rank from the left end? So let's suppose here is Rohan. Now rank of Rohan is 18th place from the right end. This is the right end of the Rohan, and position of Rohan from the right is 18th, and this is the left direction of the Rohan. So find the position of Rohan from the left end. So formula is total minus position of Rohan from the right end plus 1. So total is 45. 45 minus position of Rohan from the right is 18 plus 1. So 45 minus 18, it means 27. 27 plus 1, it means 28. So position of Rohan from the left is 28. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. What should come in the place of question mark in the following equation? If L denotes divided by, M denotes multiply by, P denotes plus, and Q denoted minus. So now find the value of given equation. So equation is 9, P means plus, again 9. After 9 next is L. So L means divided by 9. After 9, next is Q. So Q means minus, again 9. After 9, next is M. So M means multiply 9. Now find the value of given equation. So using BODMAS rule in this equation. So first divide the numbers according to BODMAS. So 9 plus 9 divided by 9, it means 1, minus 9 into 9. Now multiply the numbers according to BODMAS. So 9 plus 1 minus 9 multiply by 9, it means 81. So 9 plus 1, it means 10. 10 minus 81. 10 minus 81, it means minus 71. So value of given equation is minus 71. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So now let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. The value of given equation. So equation is bracket 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 divided by 7. Now divided by 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 divided by 8. Using BODMAS rule, so first solve the brackets according to BODMAS. So solve the bracket, it means adding the 7. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, it means 28. Now 28 divided by 7. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 divided by 8. Now divide the numbers according to BODMAS. So 28 divided by 7, it means 4. 4 divided by 8 plus 8 plus 8. Now 8 divided by 8, it means 1. So plus 1. So value of given equation is 4 divided by 8 plus 8 plus 8, it means 24, plus 1, it means 25. So value of given equation is 4 upon 25. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question. Now next question is question number 59 and 60. In the following questions, figure showing sequence of folding and cutting a paper are given, which could resemble the figure in the answer figure. So find the unfolded paper after cutting. So now unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction. When unfold this paper, then we got a image like this, and mirror image of this part will looks something like this. Okay, now unfold this paper, then we get a image like this. Now unfold this paper in this direction. This paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So now unfold this paper in this direction. Okay, now unfold the paper, then we get a image like this. And mirror image of this part will look something like this. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option A is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. Unfold this paper. So unfold this paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So this paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So unfold this paper. When unfold this paper, then we get a image like this. When unfold this paper in this direction, then we get a image like this. Now unfold this paper in this direction. This paper will be unfolded in this direction because this paper has been folded in this direction. So unfold this paper in this direction. when unfold this paper in this direction, then we get a image like this. Mirror image of this part will looks something like this. So this is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option C is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. Option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the paper solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. And any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great time.